Welcome to NZ Old Coin News. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of rare coins. What if I told you that a simple 50 Lira Turkish coin from 1987 could be worth a staggering $800? Yes, you heard that right. Stick around to find out why this coin is so valuable, what makes it rare, and how you can spot one in your collection. Let's get started. The 50 Lira coin was introduced in 1984 and continued to be minted until 1989. It was part of Turkey's effort to modernize its currency during a period of economic growth and development. The coin features a portrait of Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, the founder of modern Turkey, on one side and a beautiful depiction of wheat and the Turkish star and crescent on the reverse side. But why is the 1987 version so special? What makes it stand out from other years? That's what we'll explore next. Not all 50 Lira coins from 1987 are worth $800. The value depends on a few key factors. 1. Rarity. The 1987 version had a much lower mintage compared to other years. 2. Condition. Coins in mint or uncirculated condition can fetch significantly higher prices. 3. Errors. Some coins have minting errors, such as misaligned designs, double strikes, or variations in metal composition. These errors make them highly sought after by collectors. 4. Metal content. While the coin is made of nickel brass, some collectors believe rare prototypes or variants might have been struck in different alloys, adding to their value. Here's how you can identify whether your 50 Lira coin from 1987 is worth $800:1. Check the year. Ensure the coin is from 1987. 2. Inspect the condition. Look for scratches, dents, or signs of wear. Coins in pristine condition are worth more. 3. Look for errors. Carefully examine both sides of the coin for any irregularities. 4. Weigh the coin. The standard weight is 6 grams. If your coin is lighter or heavier, it might be a rare error coin. 5. Get it graded. Send your coin to a professional grading service like NGC or PCGS. A high grade can significantly increase its value. Over the past decade, the demand for rare Turkish coins has skyrocketed. Collectors worldwide are willing to pay top dollar for unique pieces, especially coins with historical significance or minting errors. Auctions and online platforms like eBay and Etsy have reported sales of the 1987 50 Lira coin reaching as high as $800. If you're interested in selling, make sure to set a fair price and find a reputable buyer. And remember, rarity and condition are everything. So, do you have a hidden treasure in your collection? Here are some quick tips for collectors. 1. Research. Always study the history of your coins. 2. Preserve. Store your coins in a cool, dry place to avoid damage. 3. Network. Join coin collector communities to learn and trade. 4. Stay updated. Follow market trends to know when to buy or sell. Thank you for watching this episode of NZ Old Coin News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing coin stories. Who knows? The next rare coin might just be in your pocket.